All right, welcome to the Mr. Black Unboxed channel where, well, I mean, we unbox things as well as some other stuff. But today, look at this. We have the DJI Neo 2, the Fly More combo. So we're going to unbox this and give you the experience of that. If you like this kind of stuff, I mean, I don't know, you're here. Hit that subscribe button. We'll do some live streams as well, kind of covering some of this stuff too. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get right to it. So pull that right off. Looking at the box here, it kind of tells you some specs, what's in the box there. Kind of a blank box for the most part. And we also have the Neo 1 to compare it to. But here is the controller, I'm assuming, and some other stuff. And here is the Neo 2. Wow. Actually very lightweight. So it's a plastic build, but a strong plastic. I've crashed the other Neo on purpose many times. And wow, you got a sensor on the bottom. Where's that camera? What is that? Is a big camera is what it looks like. It's got built-in storage. Here's the battery on the top. That's kind of cool. Clever way to do the battery. Put that in probably like that. Nope. Which side goes first? I think you go this way. There we go. And here is the camera, the little camera case on it. Look at the sensors on the front. There is the camera with the gimbal. Really nice. I wonder what that is, but yeah, there's sensors down there as well. This is like a USB. What is this? Just that extra antenna that gives it further flying capabilities. But yeah, really cool. I like how it protects you from the blades, but also like when it runs into stuff, it just bounces off of it. Doesn't mess up the blades. This is the Fly More combo. This one comes with the controller, pretty simple controller. You put your joysticks up here. Any antennas on here? No? This will pull out, you put your phone in there and use the app. And I like the controllers with the screen built into it. I think that makes it way more fun to fly, because using your phone usually is pretty crazy. They give you some extra propellers, just 2 extra ones in case you did break some. And the Fly More combo gives you 2 extra batteries with a fast charging battery case. So it's showing you how to lift head, it says. Okay, like that. And then, let me read that again. So lift the head, align with, okay, gotcha. So just lift the head, pull it out. That's how you do it. Very lightweight batteries as well. Just for fun, we have the Neo 1, and I just want to show you the size difference between the two. So the Neo 1's still smaller. Doesn't have as good of a camera as well, or sensors for that matter. Like you can see the sensors on there. But just a little bit smaller. About the same weight, to be fair. Actually, I feel like the Neo 1's a bit, no, I don't know. About the same weight, it feels at least. Anyway, we'll test it out and find out. And join me on a live stream. We'll talk a little bit more about it, but just wanted to give you the unboxing experience of the Neo 2. Thanks for watching.